Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about what's happening on the market right now. Elon Musk said something which dropped Bitcoin price, which is basically that Tesla is not accepting Bitcoin for a while. And what's the reason for it? Let's talk about it. The second thing I want to talk about that, the data is out and the inflation rate, it's actually crazy, much higher that we expected, how they predicted. And this caused actually a drop on the stock market and actually also helped to drop the crypto market as well. But probably Elon's comment was even a bit worse for the crypto market. And the third news I want to talk about that Ethereum experts saying, there is a survey which asked 35 experts that the average price for 2025 for Ethereum will be around $20,000. So let's talk about all these things in today's video. Guys, and if you want to stay up to date, which is, I think, a very, very important thing in crypto market, in this blockchain world, because it's changing just so fast. Look what happened actually, how the market now dropped from yesterday to today. And yes, therefore, it's important to get these news on time. So the only thing you have to do to subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe, bell button, all, and then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And this is important because then you're not watching it like a couple of days later. You're watching it when it's fresh, when it's hot, okay? And if you like this kind of content, definitely smash the like button and also educate yourself. I have a free course for you, for instance, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Lots of useful tips, safety steps you must do before you do any kind of crypto investment, okay? So the link is under this video, just like other very useful links you can save money with when you trade and so on and so forth. So check them out. And now let's move on to the market, how it looks like, because today it is red. Bitcoin is down now bit more than 10%, but it was more than this. It was about 15% or something like that. Actually, it now came back already a little bit, but this is crazy. Ethereum is now under $4,000 US, Bitcoin 51,000, which is also about 8% decrease, but this was also a bit more down, not even a bit more, around 3,500 not long ago. And when you're looking at the winners today, actually this, oh, hang on. Yeah. Nano, we have 23% up. Kusama, 19%. Synthetics, 17% up. Aave, 17%. So we do have some winners, but definitely we can see some losers today. Shiba is the one which is leading it with 28%, but it went crazy recently, and this is really a meme coin, so a pump and dump kind of thing. We have Raven, 26% down. EOS also went up very nicely now, 13% down. So we have losers, winners, but definitely what happened today, it was a bit harsh for Bitcoin. Actually, it recovered quite quickly, quite nicely. But actually, we are right now, again, much closer to 50,000 at the present as we were, like a day before. And when you're looking at the Bitcoin price chart, see this dump here. What you can see, let's just highlight it a bit more. So you can see it was up here at 57 US dollar, 57, and this was basically here yesterday. And the deepest point, it went down about 45,000 US dollar. Check this out. This was like a big dump, and it came back then really fast here to 52, and now it's around 51, as I just showed you. So actually this was a crazy one. We haven't seen Bitcoin at 45 something for a while already, but actually this was the news I will talk about. Also check out Ethereum. Ethereum also was here, yesterday. This is here the 4 hours. No, this is actually the hourly chart I'm showing you right now. And, we were up here yesterday, 4,300. And bam, it went down to 3,500. 3,500. It's crazy. And yeah, okay, now it's back, and then it's like now it's around just below 4,000, something like that. Pretty similar to Bitcoin. It behaved in the same way. And therefore it's worth to talk about the news of what Elon Musk just said. So if you love Elon Musk when he is pumping Bitcoin like crazy with his tweets, you must like him now when he's dumping Bitcoin. Well, whatever he said now, this is actually really not good for Bitcoin at the present. Here you can see that actually Bitcoin lost 6% in an hour, when Tesla drops payment over carbon concerns. So environmental issues, and now Elon Musk is saying that, we're not accepting Bitcoin. Bitcoin has achieved nearly 66% in an hour after Tesla suspended its support for payment in Bitcoin. As you remember, Elon Musk made this announcement. People can pay in Bitcoin when they're buying a Tesla car. That was a great news for the community, great news for Bitcoin. Actually, it pushed up the Bitcoin price. And now, a couple of weeks later, he's saying, we're not going to do this now. So, in a May 13 tweet, Tesla CEO Elon Musk noted that the company's concerns regarding to the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal. So this is the reason for environmental issues. Elon Musk decided to suspend this kind of thing that you can pay with Bitcoin for a Tesla car. While Musk predicted that cryptocurrency has a promising future, he concluded that the rise of digital assets cannot come at a great cost to the environment. However, the firm has not ruled out accepting Bitcoin again in the future, with the post noting that the firm will resume using Bitcoin for transactions as soon as mining transactions to more sustainable energy. And, we have, guys, this whole pressure now on Bitcoin that, it's bad for the environment and all these things, how much energy it's using. But look, to be honest with you, miners primarily use renewable energy. So why the third global crypto asset benchmarking study by the University of Cambridge in October 2020 showed that 76% of cryptocurrency mining uses some renewable energy. It estimated only 39 of the total power consumed by proof of work cryptocurrency was green energy. So what we can see that actually a big portion of it, it's kind of renewable, and it's also green energy, which shows that the situation is not bad. Looking at the other side, how many good things actually Bitcoin can give to us. And, on your everyday basis, just think about how much energy you using when you're driving your car. So you're using, the gas, which takes a lot of energy also to mine. Using electricity, definitely in your homes and, in many places. So just to say that we not supporting Bitcoin just because of that, this is actually not that fair. And I think when this pressure will go on, it's not easy, but there is the chance that actually Bitcoin could move in a couple of years in the future, maybe from proof of work to proof of stake. But there is like a question mark, okay? But it's not easy theoretically. Of course, it's possible when things work for us and the pressure is too big from this side. But definitely what Elon Musk now said, it was bad for Bitcoin. Because for many people, they're saying, wow, Elon Musk had a big influence with his Twitter posts, and until now, whatever he said, it was great for crypto. Now, with this, his message is that the Bitcoin is bad for the environment. And many people just don't understand how the whole thing works. And of course, it was difficult for Elon Musk because he's using, solars to get energy and make energy. Also using these electric cars. He's totally against the cars working with gasoline or with gas. And therefore, there was a big pressure on him that, okay, how is it possible that you accepting Bitcoin, which uses a lot of energy? Aren't you on the other side? So therefore, he made this move, but actually it wasn't too clever. Why on earth, at the first place, when he was, he knew what's happening here with Bitcoin, decided to say, okay, Tesla, you can pay for a Tesla car with Bitcoin. Now, when he's taking it back, it's even worse, because then it's something that he realized it was a bad decision, and no, it's not the way it works. So this definitely made a huge impact on the market and definitely pushed down the Bitcoin price. The good thing is that the Bitcoin price is now a bit holding, but to be honest with you, right now Bitcoin's close future, it's a bit shaky, like what's happening here now, because I'm still bullish. I still think we are in the bull market and we will go up. But actually, it can do it. The Bitcoin price, it's a bit going down now. It's also possible going sideways. But also on the other hand, there is maybe a big pressure from the institutional side that they actually want to jump into crypto and using these kind of dips to get in. Just like as you have seen, when it went down to 45,000. Immediately it popped back. Basically, it was simple like that. It was just like a little wick which went down. Okay, here's something else. Yeah, okay, it's just about the same thing. Yeah, they're saying that Bitcoin sheet 15% in less than 3 hours, plummeting from nearly 55 to 46. Some places I could see 45 something. Bitcoin's fear and greed index has also swung aggressively from yesterday's greedy score of 68 to the fearful score just 31 today. So 0 to hero and back because now they are afraid what's going to happen to Bitcoin. So we'll see how the market goes. But now let's talk about the inflation rate, which also helped the market to drop, but actually stock market mainly. So yes, we could see this nice drop here on the crypto market. On the other hand, things are not looking better on the stock market at the present, because now the data is out, and here we go. Inflation speeds up in April as consumers' price leap 4.2%, fastest since 2008. Actually, all the predictions, what they said, were actually under this. Inflation in April accelerated at its fastest pace in more than 12 years as the US economic recovery kicked into gear and energy prices jumped higher. The Consumer Price Index, which measures a basket of goods as well as energy and housing cost, rose 4.2% from a year earlier. Dow Jones survey had expected 3.6 increase. The month-to-month gain was 0.8 against the expected 0.2. So just think about, so the prediction was 3.6, it became 4.2. Here, the month-to-month prediction was 0.2 and it became 0.8. Excluding volatile food and energy prices, so put that apart, the core CPI increased 3% from the same period in 2020 and 0.9 on the monthly basis. Respective estimates were 2.3, so instead of 2.3 it became 3%, and the monthly was 0.3, and instead of 0.3 it was 0.9%. The increase in the annual headline CPI rate was the fastest since September 2008, while the monthly gain in core inflation was the largest since 1981. Does it look bad? Yes, it does. And actually, this kind of news helps us in crypto because look at this. Also, is a podcast about it on CoinDesk that 46 million Americans now own Bitcoin as inflation rises to highest level in 13 years. So basically, when they see cash is trash at the moment as it's going down, the fiat currencies worldwide, now actually even worse in the US. Okay, many countries are even worse, but I'm just saying that now the dollar is dropping, for instance, compared to the euro, for example, which is also actually in going down, of course. But so as you can see these numbers, you can understand that what's happening right now, this is definitely an inflation, and it's actually bigger as they predicted, which means it's holding your money in US dollar, for instance, it will lose its value. So people looking for a safe asset, and this is where actually crypto, gold, and other things jump in, because we can see that this is pretty bad situation we are in. So this actually can, in long term, help crypto. Of course, now when there is a drop in the stock market, it's definitely a drop everywhere because the people are getting worried with all the investors. And don't forget the nice Elon Musk announcement, which actually helped a lot for Bitcoin to drop in the last couple of hours. Okay, yeah, this can help in the long term. Okay, what's happening in short term, we all know now. And let's move on to the next news, which is all about that 35 experts, Ethereum experts, saying that Ethereum by the year 2025 can be around 20,000 US dollar. We can see a nice gain in Ethereum in this year. This is actually no question. Yeah, of course, ignore the fact now what happened in the last 24 hours in generally speaking right now. And we do see very, very bad gas fees at the moment. Uniswap, to swap at Uniswap, it's over 200 US dollar, which is an average. And this is actually crazy. But this situation will be solved probably sooner or later with layer 2 solution, Ethereum 2.0, and so on and so forth. Therefore, experts believe that the Ethereum price, hang on, there we go, will hit, nice round number, 19,842 by 2025. And yes, this is the average, what the experts were predicting here. So the Finder Cryptocurrency Predictions 2021, which was updated Monday, predicts that the price of Ether will be nearly 20,000 by 2025, according to 35 experts on Finder's cryptocurrency panel. And the highest forecast came from Bitbull Capital COO Sarah Bergström, who believes that the price of Ether would be 100,000 US dollar by 2025. So this was the highest prediction. She's saying that we are likely to see major upgrades to the Ethereum network this year, and those can be expected to push the price higher, she explained. One of the most bearish forecasts came from the UNSW Associative Professor Elvira Soily, who predicted that Ethereum will end 2025 at just 1,850. The majority of the panelists, 59%, say now is the time to buy Ethereum, while 28% is saying hodl, and 13% they're saying it's time to sell. So the majority agrees that the price will go up, and this is how this very nice number came out, roughly speaking, around 20,000 US dollar will be in 2025. By the way, what do you think? You can drop a comment below. What is your prediction for the year, and also what could be at the end of this year? Actually, here many people believe that it can be 10K at the end of this year. This is something what I was thinking of, but of course we do have also here some bearish ones, like some people saying it will be like 2,000 US dollar. Bottom line, nobody knows. These are just predictions based on different kind of calculations, but yeah, nobody knows the real answer. Same thing if you ask someone what Bitcoin will be, and you just ask it back in 2016 in 5 years, probably not too many people would say that we would be at the price we are at the moment, or the predictions for 2021 when they say Bitcoin above 100,000, actually even higher to the stock to flow model, even above 200,000 US dollar. So we will see what happened recently. It was not good in short term, what Elon Musk said, but I do believe this will be fixed in long term, because there's so big interest from investors, either retail investors, either institutional investors. So actually the bull market going to continue. But of course, what happened just now, it made a correction. That was the normal reaction of the market on these kind of news. Guys, that's it for today. Tomorrow, of course, I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, do so, because I bring you the freshest news every weekday from Monday to Friday. Only thing you have to do, subscribe, bell button, all, and then you're getting the notifications about these videos. And it's important because you have to stay up to date if you want to participate in blockchain and crypto. Guys, see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.